So you want your YouTube channel to actually start paying you one day, but right now you're stuck in a view void where even your dear old mother has stopped watching. So I want you to meet this chap.
My name is Charlie, I'm 33 years old, and I make YouTube videos for a living. Over the last few years, we built this whole media business that runs about 50 different channels. In terms of numbers, the media company does about $300,000 per month on average.
50 channels? That doesn't sound like a strategy to me. Feels more like a hoarding problem. But here's the thing, Charlie didn't fluke his way to all of this success and revenue. He started exactly where you might be right now with virtually nothing. But he did find one golden rule, and by the end of this video, that rule will be yours too. On the 1st of January 2020, after posting almost daily for 2 years on his channel, he still only had a modest 1,700 subscribers. I'm curious to know actually, if you had just 1,700 subscribers after 2 years of posting on YouTube every single day, which is over 700 videos, would you quit at that point or would you keep going? Let us know in the comments below. As you may have already gathered, Charlie didn't give up. And just a few months later, all of that hard work and patience finally paid off with some viral moments. And within weeks, the channel had exploded. By July of the same year, just 3 months later, Charlie had 100,000 subscribers. 3 years after that, a cool million. Today, he stands at 1.4 million subscribers. The channel also has over 100 million views, but those views are where Charlie's rule starts to take shape in a way you might not expect.
I don't really make much like viral entertainment content. I know my strengths, and that's more towards actually teaching people things.
This is the mindset that built that $300,000 a month machine. And it all comes back to this rule. So what is it and how does it work?
My counterintuitive advice would just be to not chase views, only chase views from qualified people.
Find qualified views. That's Charlie's rule, and it almost rhymes. In effect, what we're talking about here is not simply more views, but higher quality views. These are views from people who are searching for something specific, who have a certain problem that they need solving, and most critically, are ready to act on the answer. And here is what that looks like in practice. Each video that Charlie makes is built around something that people are already searching for. We're not talking about trending topics that will last a week or less. We're looking at search-based evergreen content that answers a specific question. And if you know anything about this area of YouTube, these are the types of videos that do not blow up overnight, but they do get found by exactly the right people every single day for months, years, sometimes decades. And that literally changes everything about how you make money on this platform. Of the $300,000 a month Charlie makes from his YouTube empire, approximately 10% of it comes from ad revenue. On the other hand, 80% comes from affiliate deals. For those of you who don't know, affiliates are the links you find in the description, often promoting a product or service, which is typically mentioned during the video. When one of these so-called qualified viewers watches a video about, let's say, setting up an LLC and clicks a link in the description of the product or service that Charlie is recommending, he gets a commission. And there is no flat fee on this commission, which means that there's no limit on how much this video can earn over an infinite amount of time.
Sometimes a single video can make hundreds of thousands of dollars. Essentially, I never want to know exactly how much a video is going to make. That's been the formula for me.
But all of this only works if the viewer is qualified. A general audience of millions who stumble upon a viral video aren't likely to convert into customers because they're not there to solve a problem. But a focused audience, even if it's a tiny one, who have searched for exactly what you are teaching, that's where the money is.
On my recruiting channel, 200 views there could make more revenue than a video on a general channel with 10 million views.
Yeah, that's what qualified views actually mean in practice. So naturally, this leads us on to the next question. How did Charlie take this one rule and turn it into 50 channels and over $300,000 a month in revenue? Well, if you're expecting a complicated answer, you're going to be disappointed, which is a good thing, right? Because all Charlie did with this rule was repeat it again and again and again. The model clearly worked on one channel, so why not apply it to a second channel, a third channel, a 10th channel, a 50th channel? It's a different niche, but it is the same formula. Qualified viewers, search-based content, affiliate deals. As we've already said, he runs about 50 channels these days. Business formation, SaaS, VPNs, insurance, crypto, recruiting, channels in Chinese, Indonesian, Hindi, each one targeting a specific audience with a specific problem and a specific product to recommend. But guess what?
A lot of these channels will fail and just never make money. But a huge concept I live by is doing volume, doing something consistently to find the actual winner. I know most of the things are not going to be worth it in the end, but I need to do them to actually identify the winner.
That mindset Charlie has, being willing to fail in public, is something that all of us as creators should be embracing as part of the journey. His goal isn't to create a successful channel every single time he spins one up, although it would be nice. Instead, Charlie is launching enough channels so that the winners naturally reveal themselves. Yeah, failure isn't the setback in this model. It is literally part of the model. So you have the rule, and now you have the model or the formula that's proven to work. What comes next? Scaling up. And this data backs that up. In January of 2023, his operation was publishing around about 5 videos a month. But just 4 months later, by May 2023, that number had jumped to 40 videos a month. That's when the team was fully built out and the systems were put in place. And that's how the model went from one creator's experiment into a full-blown media company. Fast forward to today, and over 50 people are working on all of these YouTube channels. Project managers, video editors, thumbnail designers. There are hosts for channels where Charlie doesn't appear on camera, and translation teams in multiple countries. They even have a chief operating officer who runs the day-to-day so Charlie can focus on the bigger picture. All of that means that the monthly payroll alone is over $20,000, which is exactly why this affiliate model isn't just a preference. It is a necessity. If you do have a revenue model like affiliates that has no ceiling, then that can cover the cost that will rise along with it. And all of this works because every single video on every single channel follows that one golden rule: qualified views over total views. So what does this all actually mean for you? Well, the good news is you don't need 50 channels, you don't need a team of 50 people working for you, and you don't need $25,000 a month to cover all of those costs. What you do need is what Charlie can best explain himself.
I'd pick one topic that I was passionate about. I'd make 50 to 100 different long form videos about that topic. After that, I would create some type of product or service that relates to that topic. This could be a course, this could be a software, this could be a service. And then I'd always have some type of call to action in my videos to my service or product or company.
One topic, a consistent output, and something to sell to the right audience, whether it's your product or somebody else's through an affiliate deal. If you want to make real money on YouTube, stop messing around with the notion of trying to go viral. Instead, find a way to be useful to the right people who will put their trust in you. And remember this, on January the 1st, 2020, Charlie had 1,700 subscribers after 2 years of posting on YouTube every single day and being on the platform for over a decade. But just like every creator who faced the same adversities and went through the same YouTube struggles, he did not quit.
You need to be really patient with the results, but you need to be impatient with the actual action.
But if all of this has fired you up for building incredible things on YouTube, then let me next introduce you to Tim Danilov. He went from $0 to $250,000 in his first year making YouTube shorts. And he did it in a way that future-proofs his channel from all of his competitors. The video's over here right now for you to watch. I'll see you in there.